Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so in this video today, I have decorated a winter tablescape. So come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today, there is no guest, it is freestyle, and I cannot wait to see you there. Now, let's get started and let me tell you what I did. All right, so this is what the tablescape is looking like right now. Let me tell you about the centerpiece. So all I did was grab one of these flock trees from the Dollar Tree, and then there's my gold bird, and I believe I got that from Dollar General. Then I have these two green wooden trees. I love those, and those came from Dollar General as well. This beautiful snowflake centerpiece right here, this I DIY'd, and I think it came out so cute. My little Kirkland bird is right here, and then I just stuck a little bit more greenery right there. So if we come on over to this setting right here, so this is my rose box. I elevated that on that stand. We have a white candle from the Dollar Tree on top of that gold stand that also came from the Dollar Tree. And then that little rose, it was supposed to be a tea light, but my tea light's not working. It's so pretty anyway, because I love whites. So I placed that on the corner here. So this is what my centerpiece is looking like, guys. And I think what a beautiful scene here for winter. All right, so let me show you what the place setting is looking like. Look at this. All right, so we have this black napkin. I believe that was a thrifted item, the black napkin. And then we have that beautiful napkin ring. This was a gifted item. So I have this white dish. I always use this, absolutely love it. That was a thrifted item. Now this salad plate right here, this came from Home Goods. Isn't that beautiful, guys? That came from Home Goods. And this dish, the dinner dish, did as well. I love that. Looks beautiful, guys. And then we come on over here to the charger, and this charger right here has some glitter in it. This charger came from the Dollar Tree. It's very pretty, guys, this charger. All right, so let's put this back. So I decided to go this way with it. A very pretty dish. And this one, I mean, all of it looks so nice together. So they're from 3 different sets, and look how beautiful that looks. Then I decided to put this little dish in the center, and then this is what that's looking like so far. Then I decided to use these utensils, and they came from Party City when they were open. And I placed the fork up there. I love how that looks. Then we have the wine glass. I love this wine glass. So I love that shape. Came from the Dollar Tree. And then this one, this water glass was a thrifted item. I don't know if I said the tea light and the tea light holder came from the Dollar Tree as well. So this is what that place setting is looking like. I think it's beautiful, goes along beautiful with that winter centerpiece. And this is what we're looking like, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.